Hey everyone, if you're trying to upload large files on Dropbox in 2026 and getting errors, slow uploads, or failed uploads, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox large file upload issues step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. Large files need a strong and stable connection. Next, use the Dropbox desktop app instead of the browser. Desktop uploads are more reliable for big files. Now compress your large file into a zip format if possible. This reduces size and makes uploading easier. After that, upload files one at a time instead of multiple large files. This prevents upload failures. Next, check your Dropbox storage space. If storage is full, uploads will fail. Now disable VPN or close unnecessary background apps. These can slow or interrupt uploads. After that, make sure Dropbox is running in the background at all times. If it stops, uploads can fail midway. Finally, if an upload fails, pause and restart it. Dropbox often resumes from where it stopped. So yeah, that's how you upload large files on Dropbox without error in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your uploads will become smooth and stable. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials.